So the question is, do you think there used to be this concern that streaming on an existing YouTube channel would hurt the next video's performance or would otherwise negatively impact the channel? And there were some channels that would track every time they streamed, their next video would have at least slower initial view growth. Now, this was mostly a misconception. Now, I'm not going to deny that there's probably some weirdness that happened on the platform, as with premieres and other things. There's always some technical concerns. But the idea that streaming on a YouTube channel hurts your YouTube channel is IMO a misunderstanding of how the platform works. And this is where YouTube themselves actually kind of frustrate people, I'll say, with their answers, because there's the idea that an individual video does not impact the performance of your next video. So if I uploaded a video on how we got Discord partner, which, by the way, come join us, discord.gg/EposVox. We now have the locked in vanity URL because we are partnered on Discord. That video did not do very well. Naturally, it didn't do very well because it was an hour-long discussion about getting to Discord partner, which is a very long video, which turns off a lot of people, and it was a niche topic. I understood going into it that it would not be a super successful video up front, but that it would be very helpful for those who want to find it for later. And I feel like it's serving that purpose, and over time, people who want it will find it. But then the idea is that a lot of people are concerned if we go to another video, like, I guess the next video would be the stream, and it's doing fine. But, if I uploaded a video the next day or, the next upload slot, that video would perform worse. And I think the idea is that certain creators then expect that there is a correlation directly between that video doing well and the next video that video not doing well and the next video not doing well. And while technically that's not true, and YouTube's answer is, they don't look at your channel on the whole, they don't do any of that. Everything is analyzed per video. What you run into is if your audience, if your viewership is heavily based on the first wave of viewers coming in from notifications, those who didn't click the notification on your previous video are less likely if they have personalized notifications on versus all notifications. So if you enable notifications for my channel, click the bell again, change it from personalized to all, and that will improve things a little bit. But the personalized notifications caters it based on your viewership. So if you don't watch a video from the notification from a channel, then it will serve you, it will be less likely to serve you the next video in notification. So if you upload a video that bombs, notification-wise, your next video, in terms of notification viewers, will actually be lower. Now, those viewers will eventually show up from your sub feed or whatever and be fine, but that initial view bump will actually be slower, and that can slow down your viewer turnaround, your viewership overall. The same thing applies to streams. And so my strategy with this whole streamer news show is I build up an actual news show that you would want to watch as a video anyway. I have done this before in a video and it was successful. I'm doing it live, so we get the live interaction bits and the super chats and all of that, but I could pre-record this and upload it, and it would functionally be the same piece of content. I use the time code, chapter markers, all of that, so that it's completely viewable as a video. And that really helps things, because normal game stream VODs are not very viewable. Most people aren't going to click on a 4-hour stream VOD of you playing Fortnite or whatever and actually watch through it. Your retention's going to be lower. The notifications of that being an uploaded video are going to be lower. All of that. So the idea here is that if you're doing recurring game streams, unless you have specific events or whatever, you want to unlist or private the VODs of that stream after it's done. This will then not leave that 4-hour video that no one is clicking on or watching in your queue, and doesn't affect, who's seeing it and things like that. So that is the strategy that I recommend for game streamers who are streaming to their existing channel. And I see that with the channel My Life in Gaming, who actually do constant game streams on their channel, but they keep the VODs basically hidden, and then their normal uploaded videos are totally fine. And that same strategy should apply to everyone. If you're uploading 4 to 5 hour stream VODs to your main YouTube channel, your viewership is going to tank, because in general, most of your viewers don't want to watch those. Most stream VODs are not watchable. Instead, you should be using the storyline that progressed throughout your stream, you should be creating an isolated video of that and uploading that as its own video, and then maybe linking to the stream VOD if people want to see it. But otherwise, that will be the representation of your previous stream. Not the whole VOD, just a quick little 5-10 minute little story build of what happened during your stream, or little highlight clips or things like that. A lot of streamers recently have been finding success on gaming channels uploading less than 1 minute clips, and the views have been doing really amazing. This is counterintuitive to how YouTube worked previously. Less than 1 minute videos were actually a big problem, and for AdSense, they're actually still a problem. But generally, that is the strategy I recommend, because what is actually happening is not streaming negatively impacting your upload or whatever. It is the VOD itself sitting there not being clicked on, affecting who actually sees your notifications. Hope this answers your question. Hope this helps someone out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more tag education and stream guides. I will see you in the next episode of Streamer News. Peace. I don't have music today. Sorry.